are. After a long 3-hour wait, our 512M has once again obtained the level of Platinum Award here at Cavallino 2024. So we successfully brought this car back to glory for 2007 win at Platinum 2024. And I'm incredibly humble because if you look back behind me, truly amazing examples of the 512M. There's only 75 of the 512Ms for the American spec, but out of the entire run, there's 512 made of the 512M. There's many Euro specs here, truly beautiful cars, incredible specs, very well curated and maintained by its owners, but we are incredibly honored. Our car has come back to glory, full glory, Platinum Award here at the Cavallino. This has been a remarkable experience. We have so much more content to bring to you guys, so much more to share with you. And the biggest thing I want to share with you guys is throughout this entire experience, the number one thing, the people that we have met. We have met some incredible owners and curators of many different cars, many different genres of Ferrari. But there's one true thing throughout the entire week of this process. Everyone here shares a passion, and that passion is Ferrari. There's no doubt about that. Whether they own a 1959 250 GTB, a 330 GTC, or to something modern and the 512Ms and everything in between. We are so excited and really honored to be a part of this experience. So with that being said, we're about to make our exit down the red carpet with the 512M, along with the other Platinum winners. But one thing for certain, I now have the bug. I'm truly addicted and can't wait to be a part of this moving forward in the future. So we're gonna bring many, many more cars to this experience and to this Cavallino moving forward, and we can't wait to share that with all of you.